How long does it take to resolve a semi-truck accident in Texas? And the answer is usually it takes a while. First, you have the claims process where they're most likely going to deny your claim and you're going to have to bring a lawsuit. Because remember, in truck accident cases, critical information can disappear and you need a lawyer to secure that information. So most of the time, a lawsuit is filed. It could be a long, drawn-out litigation. Plus, you have to be treating the entire time, and this could take a while. It depends on the type of injuries, whether you're getting a shoulder arthroscopy or whether you're getting a lumbar fusion. You're going to have to treat, get these surgeries. The lawyers are going to have to collect the medical records, go through discovery, take depositions, or perhaps go to trial. Hopefully settle at mediation. So it's going to take a very long time, at least a year and a half, to settle your trucking case. If you are in a trucking accident that's not your fault, don't hesitate to give the Rose Sanders Law Firm a call at 713-221-2773.